I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song.
So this is my Lash and Brow Serum that helps thicken your lashes. I've noticed an incredible difference in mine in the last few weeks of using this. You just pop a little bit on your brows just to help thicken your brows as well. It's a clear serum, so you can actually put mascara over the top of it if you want to do. These are 100% my own lashes. If you can see the length of them now. I will put some pictures on before I started using this, which was about a month ago. Been using it twice a day, morning and night. It's again thicker lashes. This is £24 and you can get the shop in my bio.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this